Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in. Use the account email or phone number linked to Hoichoi and enter your password. Once signed in, make sure subscriptions are canceled and any saved payment methods are removed so charges stop. This prevents billing surprises. Navigate straight to account or profile settings. Don't wander through menus. The why. Hoichoi requires active verification and a clean billing state before deletion, so preparing these elements now speeds the process and avoids delays. Once in settings, find Privacy, Security, or Manage Account. That's where Hoichoi hides account closure controls. Choose Delete Account or Close Account and read the Data Removal Summary. This explains what is erased and what may be retained. You will be asked to verify, enter OTP, or confirm via email, so check your inbox and phone. Do this now. The why is simple. The platform must confirm it's you to protect accounts, and verification completes the middle step toward final deletion. Confirm the final deletion prompt and note any grace period. Some services delay permanent removal for a few days. Once done, watch for a confirmation email. Save it or screenshot the success message as proof. If you don't receive confirmation or the process fails, first clear app cache or cookies, then retry from another browser or device. If problems persist, contact Hoichoi support with your account details. This troubleshooting step saves time and preserves evidence if manual intervention.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.